Hey guys, Ethan's Overcovers and more back today with a brand new baseball card opening video. Today I have another Topps triple threads. I'm gonna bust into this. I just busted into a update jumbo and a gold label. Go check out those videos. Get 2 packs in this, 2 mini boxes. These are always my favorite product. There's the mini boxes. So here we go, box 1. Put a ton of air in these. Got a redemption in the first pack. Alright, first card up, Ken Griffey Jr. base card. John Smoltz base card. Adam Jones. We'll go to the back 2. Ozzie Smith, number 1 out of 340. First one made there, that's pretty cool. Purple. And an Eric Hosmer green out of 250. We'll go with the non-redemption first. It's a Carlos Beltran, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-piece jersey, emerald out of 18. Pretty nice there. Got a part of pinstripe. And we'll reveal the redemption together here. It's a triple thread unity autographed jumbo relic of Michael Wacha. So I have to redeem that, see what that looks like. The last box here. I don't see many Wacha autographs. Got a fat one in this one. Here's a nice Julio Urias gold out of 99 rookie. A Todd Frazier purple out of 340. A Hunter Pence Babe Ruth. There's the Pence. We'll go with the back. It's a Elvis Andrus jersey. And this is a, holy crap, a Ken Griffey Jr. 101 printing plate. Autograph relic 101. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Holy crap, Ken Griffey Jr. White whale, bat, pinstripe, bat, autograph. That is huge right there, folks. There's the 1 out of 1. That might be the best card I've ever pulled. This was my last boxes for a while. I'm glad I got this. Holy crap. I'm shaking. Ken Griffey Jr. White whale. Only one made. Autograph. Pinstripe patch. Dual bat. For the Mariners too. That's on the Mariners. Woo! Huh? It is too, the Mariners. Yeah, it's the Mariners. There's the logo right there. So that is definitely huge right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Quick recap. Got the Ken Griffey Jr. 101, one of the best pulls of my life. I'm glad I got it on video. First big hit I've got on video. The Michael Wacha redemption autograph. Pretty nice. And the Elvis Andrus jersey, which is a little dirty with clay on it, and the Carlos Beltran. So, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna go check out this Griffey. There it is again. Hope you all enjoyed this. Peace. Like, comment, and subscribe.